Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to all student BPMG 3053 Group A.
Good morning, doctor.
Okay, morning, good. Okay, last week we end up at what chapter? What slide? This one, yeah. Uh, for express bus, finish already.
Yes, for the calculation.
Finish, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, and then we go to stage bus lah, yeah. Okay, stage bus, yeah. Okay. Okay, stage bus is one of the business in bus industry. Yeah, normally when you go to the kampung villages, yeah, rural area, yeah, you can see the stage bus, yeah, operated by the parent company. For example, Maralina got one small company. They are actually serve for rural areas or kampung. We call it stage bus. Bus berhenti-henti. This one also part of the business, yeah, for the transport industry. Yeah. Okay, I give you an example for the movement from Changlun to Arau. Okay, for Changlun to Arau to operated for 12 hours. Yeah, and then start from 0700 hours until 1700 hours lah. Yeah, 07 until 07 or 08 until 08. For 12 hours. Yeah, distance a kilometer, 30 kilometer from Changlun to Arau. Running time, 60 kilometer per hour. That means when you go 60 kilometer, every 1 hour, they drive. If 60 kilometer, that one enough for 1 hour. Yeah, drive. So stoppages is 1 kilometer. Stoppage is bus stop. Yeah, bus stop. Bus stop is the 1 kilometer for bus stop. That means altogether 30 kilometer. That means minus depot, minus terminal, they got 28 bus stop if they are counted every kilometer. Yeah. In the stoppage, bus stop 1 minute for 28 stop. Yeah, and they stop. That means every minute they are actually reaching this bus stop. They have to wait for the passenger to embark. That means they got 1 minute, 28 minutes altogether. And then depot rest, rather than 1 minute before taken out. And then we have additional 30 minutes for depot and then terminal. They got depot and terminal got 2 rests, yeah, for 30 minutes each, yeah. And then calculate number of bus. You can see here, running time 60 minutes, 60 minutes divided by 30 kilometer. That means they run at 2 minutes 1 kilometer. If 50 kilometer, that means divide by 2, 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Paham ya? And then stoppages 28 minutes. Terminal, 2 terminal, yeah, depot and terminal for 30 minutes. That means 2 minutes, 30 minutes, yeah. 1 round trip, 30 plus 28 plus 60 time 2 terminal. That means they got time, running time, round trip. Running time, round trip, 180 minutes or in bracket 1 hour, 58 minutes. That means running time, 1 trips is 1 hour, 58 minutes. Okay, we make a schedule. For example, we make an assumption. Yeah. Okay, bus number 1. Yeah. 8 o'clock. For example, it started at 8 o'clock. Yeah. Plus 158 until back 1 round trip. 0158. Okay. Every bus number 2 plus they started they depart at 1 hour later, 0900 hours, plus 1 hour 58 minutes. That means reach again at the depot, yeah, at 10:58. So bus number 3, yeah, at 3, bus number 3 depart at 10 o'clock because this one 8, 9, 10, yeah, every hours, as instruction given by the government, every hours have to serve the local community. We assume that every terminal they got 1 hour time lapse every bus to pass through. Yeah? Pass through 1 hour. Yeah? That means every time 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. And then bus number 3, yeah, they depart at 10 o'clock plus 1.858. That means we reach depot at 10:55 and 11:58. Okay. Do you think that 3 vehicle or bus is enough for you to serve that local community? By looking at this assumption, yeah, enough or not? Okay, enough, yeah. The answer is enough because the first bus already reached 9:58, yeah. They got rest there, and then they can rest second and third. So for this, yeah, for this assumption, and then good. That means the driver they're going up rest, and then they start again for the second trip. Yeah, this one first trip completed, and then the rest, and then different bus started at 9, different bus started at 10 o'clock. And then the first bus can use for trip number 2, bus number 1, trip number 2. For example, we have here bus number 4 lah. Bus number 4, actually that one doing a second trip. Yeah, that means bus 1, trip 1, trip 2, 1.2 for example, 1.3, 1.4, 1.9, and so on and so forth. Yeah. Kalau bus number 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.2, trip number 1, trip number 1, and so on and so forth. You can also change whether that one can use for the trips, yeah, or we can put number, continuous number. Bus number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then bus number 1 already completed at 5. Maybe they want to do trip number 4, yeah, bus number 4, actually bus number 1. Mean to serve that local community for 8 hours, yeah, 8 hours, from 8 o'clock until 8 o'clock at night. That means we need only 3 buses. Understand? Any questions so far? Okay, good. If the same bus or same company doing other route, yeah, for example, here from Changlun to Arau, maybe after this from Changlun to Jitra, whereas for Changlun to Alustar, for example, bypass Jitra, for example. So we can calculate the same. So maybe they got the additional number of buses for that particular operation for 8 hours. And then similarity goes is every time you have to serve, for example, every hours they have to pass through every terminal, for example. So the local community, they can assume that every hour the bus should be passed by this or stop at this terminal. Understand? So which therefore at any one time that in the bus stage bus industry, they got one yard there. That means depot. We call it depot. They actually what we call it assign to the various routes. Yeah. For example, I give you just now one route, one route from Changlun to Aros, another route from Changlun to Alustar, for example. They are created. And then maybe the route, maybe if instructed by local community or by the MPs of that particular area, maybe your company need to be served to Rian Burung, for example, new route. So how many hours at any one time you want to serve the local community? These are the system that you use normally to calculate the number of bus used at one particular time. So we can control same time we can plan and propose to the government, oh, okay, can serve this one. And then we can propose to the management, okay, enough for us, for our company to serve these two routes, from here to Arau, from Arau to Alustar, for example, 6 or 7 bus at any one time. Enough. So you should be able to control the cost, everything lah, cost, the driver, and then the areas, and then the scheduler, and so on, to ensure more efficiency, to avoid complaint by the various local community at that particular area. Okay? All right. Any questions so far? Okay, you want to make a scheduling. Yeah, scheduling, that means your task largely as an officers in that particular organization to make scheduling, to make sure that he never waste, waste in terms of the usage of the vehicle at any particular time. So for 8 hours, to make sure that the vehicle is maximum usage, you can use maximum capacity lah, because we already planned for their rest, and then so we try to maximize the maximum usage through the trip that we assign to the driver. Okay, for example, from here to Arau, 30 kilometer, right? 30 kilometer, example lah, 30 kilometer. So how many people that you want to take, to assign, how many drivers, and then who are the clerk monitor, and so on and so forth. This one is a small quantity of bus, normally they got so many routes, more than 4, I think, at one time. They are actually served to the various community, the same bus company. Yeah. Okay. Scheduling. Scheduling involve proposed journey, linking, patterning work for drivers and co-drivers. For example, for short distance one, need not to have co-drivers, below than 30 kilometer. Kalau long distance, more than 90 kilometer, yes, that one need to have extra drivers. And normally for short distance one like this, they can assign also ticketing, go ticket, or maybe if the passenger is not that many, they can use driver also collect ticketing, selling ticket, and then they also the driver. That means they can save costs. They can save costs. Somehow, sometimes the company appoint one inspector, ticket inspector, to check whether the driver or the selling ticket is actually selling the ticket to the passenger. That's why at middle of the road, you can see the bus inspector to check the ticket and so on. Make sure the ticket is sold, bukan free, because this one is involved cost in business. Other term that you use in stage bus is headway. Headway is time interval between buses. For example, every 10 minutes, every 1 hour just now, Kepala keluar lah. In Malay, kepala keluar daripada gate, we call it headway. Okay, that one is the language that we use lah. B is frequency. Frequency ni kebarangkalian, banyak. Kebanyakan lah frekuensi, how many time, frekuensi, The total number in one direction passing a point within a given period. For example, at any one time, berapa bus nak? So, just now we calculated that any one time within 3 hours, we got 3 bus. Or any one time, 1 bus, for example. This one, we calculate 3 bus. So, at any one time, the frequency 3 bus lah. We calculate just now for the movement routing from Changlun to Arau. Itu nama dia, frequency. Number 3 is layover. Layover time ni preparation. For example, you can use your personal punya thing. Layover. Your preparation. What time you want to take layover. And then the preparation to check ticket, to fuel, to make the bus inspection, make first aid task, and then to run the report to make sure that at any one time, how many time that you take to prepare your buses, your bus lah, maybe 20 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and so on to make sure they can move as an order. The ticket there, the fuel there, kalau ada selling ticket driver, selling ticket personnel have to go together, and so on and so forth. Yeah. And then the most important thing that when you run the vehicle, how long does it take to move? To make sure that gateway lah, headway kepala keluar. And then the headway is counted when they pass through the guard room lah, headway lah. Okay. The overtime is your preparation. Yeah. For example, 15 to 20 minutes. Not more than that normally, because we are actually doing things that are already prepared in advance. So anything that we had already planned before. So the thing that we do is the same thing that before yesterday. So all these things, and then we know what to do, and then at the same time, these are the things that need to be done by the supervisor to check, and the drivers as well. Okay, D is running time. Running in Malay, lari lah. Running time is allow the vehicle to make a single journey between two terminal. For example, from here to Arau back, running time. Yeah. Running time may vary depend on the condition direction, road passenger, driver, damage, tunneling, and then lampu isyarat and so on. So make that one delay, depend. But we can make assumption lah by calculating ataupun kita punya agakkan kita lah. Tetapi it's not 100% correct. We call it running time. Round trip pergi balik satu round. Yeah, round trip. Round trip is our journey between our time to and from and back to earlier terminal. Balik sampai terminal balik, dia panggil round trip. Running time pun is more or less lah running time ya. Running time ni maybe kalau you calculate half one way for example. What is my time? Time from here to Arau 30 minutes for example, plus stoppage for example, running time ya. And then kalau round trip to and fro lah, round trip. Itu saja dia punya term in bus industry. Okay, macam mana kita nak tahu? Want to know the formula? Okay. You want to know the formula, how many vehicle use on that particular operation for 12 hours time. 8 a.m. in the morning or 7 a.m. in the morning until 7 p.m. 12 hours. You can calculate in advance. So this one is very important because you want to discuss with your bosses regarding the requirement of the buses to make sure that you can serve the local community. For example, kalau every half an hour, and then the number of vehicle bus different. Number of if you want to have frequency for 1 hour time, lap 1 hour, and then the number of vehicle so different. Some incident ataupun cases they said every 2 hours, every 2 hours, and then the number of vehicle also different. Depend on the local community punya request. Yeah. These are the formula that normally use. Yeah. Running time plus overtime plus stoppages divide by headway. Yeah. Dapatlah vehicle required. So kalau kita dah dapat vehicle required, for example 3, 4 ke, 5 ke ataupun 6 ke, so you can make assumption and then we can propose to the management we need only 3 vehicles to operate from from Changlun to Alustar. So to make sure that every hours they have to stop at the stoppages, terminal. Bukan terminal lah, bus stop ya. So if 30 kilometer, we need 28 stop. And then the time we calculated in advance, our round trip is 1 hour 58 minutes. easy. So calculate lah. So by the time you have 5 hours 50 minutes, the first bus already reach the first trip. Second bus go at 9 sampai pukul 11. Third bus pergi pukul 10 sampai dekat pukul 12. All those things, they are actually big thing. This one is formally used lah normally by the bus operator, yeah, for specific thing lah, yeah. Okay, this one is example. You propose service to the following: running time 20 minutes, layover time 5 minutes, headway 50 minutes. Calculate. Ini contoh dia lah. So I can give you a scenario after this for you to calculate lah. For you to calculate, to make sure that you are actually understand on what actually. Yang ni nak 15 minit. Kan? So the answer is 7 because maybe their timing, they want to every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes, they have to pass through the terminal. So we need a big number of vehicle required. Berapa minit satu kan? Tak payah tunggu 1 hour. If 1 hour mean the local kampung lah, will schedule people use the bus facilities. But if 50 minutes normally suburban lah, so many people use maybe for working punya office hours, office use, office staff and so on, maybe 50 minutes ish. Atau just dekat-dekat kat KL, they're using even stage bus, they use to commute to their workplace, 50 minutes. Jadi kalau katakan dia tertinggal satu bus, so they got time to punch in at 8 o'clock in the morning. And normally this one started at 6 o'clock lah. Kuala Lumpur area, Seremban and so on, they got 50 minutes each. We call it commuter. But still we call it stage bus. Dia ganti-ganti je. Right? Okay. Kalau tak ganti, dia panggil commute lah. Okay, what else? What else dia kata? Okey, ini adalah schedule yang kita masukkan ya. Jadi, kita tahulah bus number 1, number 3, number 2, they back juga bus number 1 buat kerja. Dia buat macam tu. Dalam. Ataupun this one, bus number 1, 1, 2, 3, and then back. Mungkin kita boleh buat bus number 4 ke, bus number 5 ke, bus number second trip, bus number 1. Bus juga. Ataupun 1.1 ke untuk mengelakkan daripada confuse ke, ataupun 2.1 because you are doing second trip kan, dan sebagainya. Also can. This one is for the purpose of you are actually assigning driver to perform their job every day. It's not 100% correct, tetapi if you see like this, that the driver might see, my bus number 1 at 8:35, 8:20. Yang ni dia frekuensi ialah 20 minutes. 15 minutes. Okay, sorry, 15 minutes. 8, 15, 20, and so on. This one is the example. Bus number 5 and so on and so forth. As long as they can serve at any one time, the driver, the local community can use this facility. Because we already calculated in advance, and the requirement said every 50 minutes, we have to follow the requirement. If requirement say every 30 minutes, you have to follow every 30 minutes. 1 hour, but normally not more than 1 hour lah. And jam satu lah normally ya. Kalau sampai 2 hours, teruk sangat lah kan. Everyone is a local kampung. Yeah. The very dalaman lah ya. Okay, any question regarding the scheduling? Okay ya, kalau okay bagi thumb. Tak ada thumb. Okay, bagus. Okay, look at the book ya. Inside the book also that one ya, page number Which one page number? Okay, good. Chapter 3, bus industry, page number 37 until number 58. 37, 58 was 20 pages lah. For you to read. And then you can see there, inside there, page number 54, you can see the table formula there. 2 in bracket running time plus lay overtime divide by head pay equivalent to vehicle required. Itu pun ada dulu. And then at the bottom there, at page 454, you can see the scheduling, timetable. Also important for you to do lah. Right? Then the following page 55, you can see there the trip generation. Trip generation is depend on what actually instructed. This one is not actually your extra time and so on, because the local community want what? You cannot serve, even though in a stage bus is just orang kata it's not profitable punya routes. That one is for serve local community. Sometimes the MP, the ministry member of parliament there need to discuss with us on the requirement, and then you have to have a win-win station. Okay, for example, at any one time, my bus going to serve your community in 1 hour time, 30-minute time, and so on. We cannot do more than that every 10 minutes or every 10 minutes. Because normally they follow lah. As long as we have bus available for local community, good enough. This one is more on politics lah, Politics. So you as person in charge on this should be able to discuss further for the concept of win-win situation lah, Right. Okay, next.
Sorry, Doctor.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to ask about the formula that the number of vehicles required. On the textbook, they only adding running time and late overtime. But your formula, they have running time, late overtime.
Stoppage kena hantar. Okay, you put ada betul. Stoppage kena hantar, kena kira.
Oh, alright.
Okay, betulkan dalam book tu plus stoppage. Sebab kita kira stoppage, kalau stoppage tak kira, kita rugi 28 minit. Stoppage, you put stoppage there. Okay, tu running time plus late overtime plus stoppage. Stoppages lah orang panggil lah. Okay, this one is the correct way. Betulkan dalam buku tu kan? Ataupun please take note that one. Kalau tak kira stoppage, that mean kita akan rugi 28 minit. Sebab stoppage tu mainkan peranan, dia got time. Okay. Bagus. Okay. Okay, the character of passenger transport, they got 8 character. The bus is an economic uses or space can be used continuously and more productive than cars. Okay, betul. The bus also complement other mode of transport. Yeah, betul. Able to carry large number of passengers. Yes. Passenger fares lower compared to private transport car. Yes. Bus suited urban, rural, express, and also tours. Okay. Most of buses use compression ignition diesel engines, multi-power there. And then the size of the bus based on the demand and target groups. That is because here at the moment. And the last one, they got the some of the buses equipped with the AVC, frequency radios, GPS, and so on and so television, and so on and so forth. Alright. And then what should consider, in planning bus, kata kalau kita nak plan step bus ni, normally, and the previous one already study kan, you have to apply everything, And then the most important thing that 6 matter you have to consider, Dia sama juga macam kita apply haulage transport, You have to follow tu instructions ataupun letter by the government, MOT lah, what route to be used, and then to make sure that you have to follow the thing that required specifications as set by the government. You got 6 things, setting bus company, propose routing and scheduling. Routing and scheduling, you can propose to the government ataupun member of parliament propose to the ministry, and then to have one transport company operated that particular area to serve that village. Boleh juga. And then they come up with this application, and then automatically that the Ministry of Transport will come up with the permit to serve local. This one is very fast because it involves politics. Itulah kadang-kadang rugi lah. And normally they give another express bus route, which is profitable as compared to this line. This one is, we can say profitable or we can say no, because some of the maybe fuel ataupun machine itself are sponsored by the government. You have paid with the half cost lah on that. The concept of win-win lah, just the purpose to local, to serve the local community. Okay. And then number 4 is ticketing. Yes, you already study on the ticketing, how to calculate. And then if you follow the government is how much is the cost. 9.5 kilometer, for RM1. Okay. And then the last one is profit lah. Profit is normal between 8 to 12%. You cannot get this for what you call it stage bus is okay, right? Okay, this one is the question that you have to answer. This one is assignment number 3. Number 1, number 2, okay, number 3. Assignment number 3, you answer this. What are the requirements to able to need to consider setting a bus company? Dah belajar, you just expand bits, You can get this from the local websites, MOT, and so on. And then you just specify. B, what are the operation processes daily activity of bus industry? Daily operation bus industry. Kalau you buy express bus, it's express. And then some express bus, they are mixed with this bus. Okay, discuss lah, And then C, discuss calculate bus scheduling for stage bus through your own example. Okay, example. For example, I want to give you distance from route, other than Arau, you go to Kanga. Kanga is 60 km. 60 km from here to Kanga. You calculate, Di significant routing planning bus industry, you boleh agak lah the significant apa mustahaknya routing planning in bus industry. And then it discuss the significant price taking bus industry and how many buses you require to operate service frequency 15 minutes routes with the terminal running time 40 minutes and layover time 10 minutes. Okay. Soalan C and F, C and F, they got related. For example, you want to serve here, the services, from Changlun to Kanga. So the question C and F, they are actually interrelated. You jawab ni. Follow the example that gives you the books and what had been discussed in the slide just now. I hope that you can understand this one. This one is your assignment number 3. Okay. So what are the rest? Yeah, the rest. Yeah, rest you calculate lah. So you calculate all this thing to make sure that you understand it lah. Yeah, regarding how to assign and so on. And then you're able to do your timetable, timetable terlepas, and so on, to make sure that then the answer is how many vehicle required. You are actually calculating required by using the calculation table, using the formula, and then number 1. Number 2, you come up with the bus timetable ataupun in bracket scheduling. Itulah 2 perkara tu lah yang nak ingat. And then the rest, I think you can refer to the book to answer the assignment. And then you need to have a little extraordinary reading lah from the other sources that require. Okay. Saya ingat itu sahaja untuk ini hari. Okay. So apa lagi ada lagi?
Doktor nak tanya. Yes. Last class you said that all the assignment and final, we need to do like a workbook, right?
Yeah.
So you compile everything and then send to you, right?
Yeah.
Like portfolio, yeah. So the portfolio is all handwritten, right?
Yeah, written.
Okay, alright.
Okay, tiket bus untuk long distance dah ada kita assignment tu kan? Long distance. Dah ada belum? For express bus belum lagi kan?
I check.
Saya tak pasti sama ada benda tu saya bagi kat grup B ke grup A. Okay, never mind. So sekarang ni slide ini, slide yang you nampak ni ialah untuk long distance bus, from here to Kuala Lumpur. From here to Kuala Lumpur, mileage 450 km. Okay. Kat buku ni daripada mana? Bus. Okay. Okay. For express bus, your assignment number 4, Assignment number 4, express bus. Assignment number 3 is your express bus. Assignment number 4 is your stage bus. D 1, 2, 3, 4. Assignment number 2 is haulage transport. Assignment number 1 is general ideas. General ideas seperti dalam slide. Okay, assignment number 3 is the bus calculation for express bus, long distance kilometer. And then the narrative you can find from page 45. Page 45, you can find the narrative. Okay, the narrative, page 45. The only thing that you have to calculate the price ticket from here to Johor Bahru. From here to Johor Bahru, one way is 750 km. Okay, 700 km. That's all. One way, 750. Kalau double way, you can agree lah. Tapi for the purpose of calculating ticket, one way is good enough already because you have purchased from here to Johor Bahru. And then compare between your own calculation and also the government rate. The government rate is 9.5 cent per kilometer. Ya. Tambah 1 sen. The government rate you can see there. Remember? Kalau ikut dalam government punya schedule tu, you can see ya, kita bahas tu. Dia express buses ya, page 43, 8.5 km ini sen dulu. Yang sekarang 9.5 sen ya, betulkan tu 9.5 sen. Okay, sekarang 9.5 sen kilometer. And then you have to compare between government and your own calculation. Faham tak? Faham tu? Jangan pening-pening ya.
Doctor, saya
Ya.
pening. Doctor,
Dia
I have
pening.
a question. So for our assignment 3 would be the express bus ticket calculation
Yeah.
for the page 45. So our
Yeah.
example will be from there.
Yeah, from Changlun to Johor Bahru. Yeah.
Changlun to Johor Bahru, but
Yeah.
but it's 750 km, right?
Yes.
And all the information is same as stated in the ebook, right?
Yeah, dalam page 45 tu ada kotak tu. Price
So
of the vehicle 200,000 and then apa semua. Just fill up nanti. And to make sure that you are actually breaking an ice lah. Ya. Dapat fikirkan macam mana dia orang calculate tiket lah. Ya. Right.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Chapter 4, bus henti-henti, stage bus. Apa ni, vehicle required dan sebagainya. Chapter 4
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay, requirement chapter 4 dah tahu kan. Dalam buku pun sama. Side the book. From page 54 dalam table tu atas tu. Selepas formula tu you can see that Jitra Alustar ya. Depart from Jitra Alustar 20 minutes. And then the most important thing is the distance. The running time, layover time, headway. Itu saja. The rest you can see. So for this purpose of assignment, you have to calculate a stage bus from Changlun to Kanga, 60 km. The rest are the same. So how many vehicle ataupun buses required at one particular time? And then kalau kata you dapat 5 bus ke, 4 bus ke, 3 bus dan sebagainya. And then you put it under the assignment table. So driver tengok table tu, they for the job immediately. Ingat, very simple. Yeah? And then you understand. And then this one is the basic calculation lah. Normally it's not that tough lah. Bukan pening lah. Yeah? Okay, ada persoalan lagi? Any question? Okay. Yang ni tak cukup. Dan sebagainya.
Doctor, I have a question.
Yeah.
So for the assignment 3, kita orang kena buat yang the question A, B, C, D, E and F tu and also the calculation, right?
Question ni bus express ke bus stage bus?
Yang question on group ada. Yang tu pun kita kena buat for assignment 3 juga ke?
Ya.
Okay. Doctor.
Assignment 3 bus express ya?
Yep.
Bus express macam tu jugalah. Ya. Dia setting up proses, yalah buat sekali lah. Kalau buat sikit sangat dalam 10 minit dah habis dah benda tu kan. Okay, bagi you kerja banyak sikit lah. Buat assignment kan. And then this assignment also take about 4 months for you to complete kan. So I suggest to you that once you have the assignment, you immediately do. So jangan wait until last minute you send, nanti you lupa. Sometimes I give you a question is on ad hoc basis ya. Kadang-kadang ingat I bagi question, kadang-kadang I lupa balik. So I will think that. And then group B maybe I bagi lain, I lupa pula. So all those things. As long as at the end nanti you ada jalan cerita lah, saying that you want to show to the management that you got assignment, because this one is more on online kan. That mean online. That mean you have to understand as what we see ataupun we study physically lah, face to face kan. So the knowledge is sama, similar. Kalau kurang pun kurang sikit saja. Right?
Doctor,
Yeah.
not sure I'm with the exercise 4, Doctor.
Yeah.
Just now, Doctor explained in the exercise 4, right?
Yeah, SS4.
So is that we want to calculate about the Changlong to Kanga as the is
Changlong
that the
Kanga.
exercise 4?
Yeah, Changlong Kanga. Distance, and
Okay.
then the information same as the book. Yeah. Distance, 60 kilometer hours. Yeah. Stoppages. Yeah. Every kilometer, one stoppages, one stoppage, and so on and so on. The only thing that one the frequency every 1 hour lah. Every 1 hour. Frequency every 1 hour. Okay. I say 1 hour ke frequency? Huh? 1 hour. 1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour enough. Yeah. So 1 hour, dia akan kira lebih kurang 6 biji lah. Kalau 30 km 3 biji, 6, kalau 60 km 1 hour, mungkin 6 biji lah. You have to calculate lah how many buses that use to serve that local community. Itu saja for today. Stage bus already understood, and then express bus you understood how to calculate, haulage how to calculate you understood. I think that one enough for you to survive when you go to industry. Besok kita akan pergi ke limousine pula. Dia sering teknik juga calculation limousine. How to make sure that your business are actually profitable in future. Okay? Ada soalan tak?
Ada,
Banyak-banyak
Dokter.
nak bagi pun
Dokter.
takut you pengsan. Ya?
Dokter, saya pengsan.
Yang pengsan
Oh,
jangan pengsan.
okay. Okay. For the assignment 4, right? For the calculation for question C and F is basically
Yeah.
it's
Yeah,
based
same
on the ebook question, right?
Based on the ebook,
Page
yeah.
48. So,
Yeah, the condition based on the ebook, yeah.
so doctor, since everything information is same as ebook, then that means we just copy and paste the answer already.
Yeah, copy and paste up to you, no problem. But you have to write down lah.
Means
think.
we need to through this assignment we can like sambil belajar sambil understand lah. So it is okay.
Yeah. Sambil belajar, sambil makan lah.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, doctor, I still got one question. Okay, actually, inside the page for the 8, the stage bus, they stated that the stoppage time each bus stop is actually 28 minutes. But based on the question given, there actually have 30 bus stop supposed to be. So why it is not like 30 minutes instead of 30 minutes?
Okay, all together, how many bus stop?
30.
30,
Because-
right?
Because they say rough.
30 minus 2 lah. Because depot terminal number 30 already reached that terminal.
I see. So it's about the depot and terminal.
Yes, number one is your depot.
Okay.
Number 1 depot. And then the final destination is the bus station, right? Bus terminal kat Kanga, kat Alustar tu, kat Arong. Itu adalah bus terminal. That means already minus 2. So altogether 30 km, the remaining 28 km lah kan? 28
yes.
km. Every kilometer got one stop, bus stop. Jadi 28 stop there. Because
Oh.
Because dekat terminal dengan you punya depot dah already calculated they got rest there, right?
Mm.
Okay.
But doctor, the rest time is fixed already, it's
Yeah,
about
1 minute.
30 minutes. 30
Rest
minutes.
time 1 minute, dekat depot 30 minit. Rest time every bus stop is 1 minute. Yeah. They stop by lah, bukan rest time. And then depot to depot, yeah, depot to terminal or depot to depot is actually 30 minutes. So 30 minutes they rest and balik 30 minutes they rest. That means the driver got no complaint lah because they got enough rest already. Half an hour dekat Arong, dia lepak, dia makan, minum, then start engine balik. Balik Changlun, rehat balik 30 minit. So in between the time dekat stoppage pun dia akan rest, tunggu orang between 45 second to 60 second ataupun dalam bracket 1 minute. Sometimes kalau ada seorang cepatlah, kalau orang muda naik cepatlah 10 saat dah naik kan. Tapi by time dia ramming tu to pick up 60 km an hour kan take time. So we calculate that for the purpose of movement. Supayanya kita biar lebih ataupun cukup time dalam operasi itu to make sure that at any one time we can serve the local community. Because every kilometer got different kampung, right? The kampung this one, different kampung. Kampung Baru, Kampung Selayang, kampung apa. So every kilometer got one kampung or one community center. So ada bus stops itu and people can wait there. This one is a good assignment lah for you to think, dia nak serve macam ni, how important that bus for the local community. For those who are actually living in town area, you can see this kan. When you go to kampung, macam yang I pergi Gopeng the other day kan, last 2-3 years I went to Gopeng because my car broke down kan, had to repair that and wait. I used to travel with stage bus. Happy. Very old bus kan, tak ada seat pun goyang-goyang and so on. They are actually big. Good experience also lah. Sometimes if you got time, you go to the kampung and ask for stage bus. Just camping lah, senok-senok kan, with family, senok. Like our school time those day kan, during young school boy kan, happy. Ada lagi di Gopeng. This one my experience lah, last 2 or 3 years kan. Bunyi kuat, and then dia punya lantai goyang, nampak tayar, shock, seronok. This one is stage bus. Why the condition of bus like that? Because of this lah, they are not profitable. You have to get your parent company to help you, and then you need to have support by the government, at least fuel, hub subsidies, ataupun dia punya coach, hub subsidy and so on and so forth to make sure that as long as they can serve the local community with good manner as instructed by MP or government, is good enough already. That means the wakil rakyat there, MP there is very happy lah because they got bus available and then less people or local community complain. Okay, still ada kat Sarawak, Sabah pendalaman dekat Johor pun ada kawasan pendalaman, dekat Perak mini ada bus henti-henti. Stage bus orang panggil. Okay, enough 1 hour. I think enough.
Doctor.
Yeah.
Doctor, about the bus scheduling, actually the example is actually in the page 45, right?
45.
That one is considered bus scheduling.
45 page 45. Page 45 ialah this one bus express.
Nanti doctor, so sorry.
This one express.
48 is
48, yes. Yeah, the
is
example is
scheduling.
48 lah. Yes, example 48. And then they got the formula. Formula dia mana tadi? Ada formula what page? They got formula. And then they got page number 57. 55. They got the formula there. Sorry.
54 is it, doctor?
54 formula. That means the stage bus punya calculation is the 54 lah, yang paling glare you tengok. That one is a good example lah. The only thing that dalam dia punya formulation tu plus stoppages. Tu running time plus oleh running time plus layover time plus stoppages divide by headway. Vehicle require. Siapa tak datang kelas saya, dia tak dapat lah. That's why it's very important. Siapa tak beli buku, tak dapat lah. And then group A, we have altogether 82% bought the book. Group B, 78%. The rest, altogether percent, that means remaining ada dalam 20 ke 30, campur 2 orang, 50 orang tak beli buku. I don't know whether you can answer or not. This. And then yet, if you fail to come to my class, that means you can answer. Sorry. Even though you purchase a book. Sometimes you got to understand also lah. Yeah. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay.
Doctor.
Yeah.
So I reconfirm again. So for question C, discuss and calculate the bus scheduling for stage bus through your own example. It can derive from the ebook, which on page 48. And also we need to calculate based on the formula from the page
Yeah.
54.
Yeah.
Okay. For questions F, how many buses would be required to operate? Because there is given a specific minute, so we need to base on that to answer the same
See, the
questions.
question on how many buses is meant for stage bus lah. For express bus tak payah. For the express bus, just to calculate the ticket. For that one. Tak payah total number of buses because the bus already calculated.
Stage bus.
Yeah, express, you calculate ticket only, ticket price. But for the stage bus, you have to calculate how many of buses required for that particular operation, for the particular routes, yeah. That was stage bus. Understand?
So for the questions F, actually we need to calculate based on the formula scheduling, right? For
Yeah.
question F. So it's only based on 54.
Yeah.
All right. Totally understand.
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you,
good.
doctor.
So at the end, dia kata, your understanding on how to calculate the ticket bus, all right? The understanding how to calculate the stage scheduling, stage bus, express bus, ticket, state bus, number of trip dalam scheduling. Itu saja. Ya. Apa lagi tinggal? Ada 10 dia. Faham? I mean, the purpose is when you know how to calculate the ticket, number of buses or state bus. Prices for the express bus is the total, is the ticket pricing. Express bus, long distance. For the state bus, the most important thing, number of vehicle available and scheduling. Two things. Enough for you to survive. Boleh ya? And then the rest you follow the thing that already listed there, whatever you can answer, you answer lah.
Doctor, previously you show us regarding the route pricing in PDF form, right? The one example with 2 pages in PDF form. That one, right?
Yeah.
To calculate the government fare from the PDF, actually, it's only calculate for the one way, and then for the road trip, it's strictly ×2, right?
Yeah.
Tapi kan
That one
dalam Okay, tapi
That
kan
one
dalam
haulage or bus?
that one is route pricing for our
Haulage,
first. Yes, haulage.
Haulage. Oh, yeah, haulage.
Okay, but then on the government, the the calculation for government fares in the e-book,
Yeah.
actually we need to include the half price for the return trip, right?
Yeah.
But inside the PDF example you show us, it didn't include the half price.
Oh, no. They didn't include. They
Include
didn't
ke?
include.
Tapi
Because- Uh-huh.
apa dokter cakap dulu.
Uh-huh.
Doctor, you speak first. I listen.
Okay. Now is follow the government rate. Government rate, dia kata, you have to follow the government rate. For example, government rate apa, kilometer apa? 1 kilometer how much they charge? Haulage?
1 kilometer. It's not 1 kilometer, it's like 96 km or 32 km, 18 cent for the first.
Okay.
Tapi kan sepatut to calculate a round trip for government fares, we need to include the half price for the return and empty truck, right?
Yeah.
Tapi dalam PDF doktor bagi itu calculation dia terus darab 2 from the for one way, yeah. Tapi dia tak ada include itu return price. It just straight away times 2. So actually, which one we need to follow? We need to include the return half price, or we can just directly times 2 for the round trip.
I check the PDF. Sometimes I forgotten. PDF ya?
Ya, dokter saya boleh share screen?
Okay, saya share, you share.
Okay. Ini dia. Dokter ada nampak?
Okay, nampak. Bagi besar sikit.
Sini.
Tu. Okay, roll atas.
Ini dia terus darab darab 2 for one way. So that means okay, wait. So here our one way rate is only 2688. If
Yeah.
two ways darab 2 terus, kita dapat 5376. Tapi yang bawah ini 2, saya refer e-book yang doktor ada stated that we need to calculate the return way, we need to include the half price. So should be used to divide 2. And the total 2 ways for government rate should be this 4032 instead of 5376. So
Ya, betul.
so ini betul lah kan?
Betul.
So yang ni salah punya.
Yang ni your own calculation. 5376 own calculation.
Tak. Own calculation is this 40. Own calculation is 40.
Oh, this one. Oh, ya. Oh, silap ni budak ni.
So
Okay,
ni salah
basic
kan?
calculation is 4048, right?
Yes.
To and pro. To and pro, ya?
Basic calculation is 4048.57.
To and pro, ya?
Oh.
To and pro. Pergi balik.
Yes.
Okay,
Round
pergi balik tu.
pergi balik.
That
Yeah.
means government rate to and pro 5,000.
The 5,000 is dia darab 2. Masa dia
darab
calculate
2.
satu way, dia terus darab 2. Tapi sepatutnya kita kena include the return half price. So sepatut kita guna yang ni. One way and then divide 2. So the return price would be half 1344.
Okay, now
Now,
one way how
so,
much?
okay,
One way how much?
one way is 2688.
This one
then-
your own calculation.
No, this one is based on government calculation.
Okay, government calculation. That
Hmm.
means the muatan is two-way full, right? To and fro full, right?
To and from full. Tapi dia return bukan consider dia sudah empty truck meh. So kita kena
No, they're not empty. They're from Johor Bahru, they put the same with laden container.
Tapi doktor macam mana tengok dia full balik masa dia balik. Dia question ada stated ke?
Ya, ada. Dia to and fro dia penuh. Dia bukan half. Dia bukan kosong.
Oh, okay. So macam ni lah. Kalau question itu akan stated, if to and from is full loaded, that means we need to times 2. But if the return with empty truck, then we need to like calculate the return half the return price.
That means the basic calculation, if return no load half, you have to calculate half. Okay? Bukan half of the cost tau, half of the price that given there. For example, 3,000 plus lah. 2,000 seat kan, plus 1,000 plus, half kan, 2,000 plus. Kalau full, two and way full, 5,000 plus lah. But this scenario is to and fro full laden. Same goes to government. One way how much? Full. Go back full. Okay.
So tapi kalau itu question stated 2 is full but balik dia sudah empty, then kita kena
Kalau empty
guna yang ni lah.
Ya, kita half.
Hmm.
Half of the price full. Terus enam.
Oh, okay.
Okay ya? Faham
Oh, faham.
But the
Thank
government
you,
dia
doktor.
akan kira half jugalah, full. Okay nah?
Apa doktor? Last tadi doktor cakap kalau dia full kita kena apa half
Kalau government menyerit, kalau dia bawa balik kosong pun dia akan kira half. Half of the price.
Okay, dia balik dengan kosong, kita kira dengan half. Tapi dia balik dengan full, kita
Penuh lah.
dua.
Penuh lah, dia darab 2 lah.
So darab 2 terus.
Ya. Okay ya?
Thank you, doktor.
Saya ingat clear bagus, Tong Feng.
Sangat clear.
You pun mengingatkan saya juga. Saya pun sudah lupa. Belum saja sudah tahu.
Sebab kawan ada tanya. Okay, thank you.
Okay, bagus. Tanya bagus. Tanya bagus. Pamannya saya betul semua kan, kadang-kadang saya lupa. Okay, class. I think that's all for today. See you next class. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For those who are able to